how to make halwa.
Okay, so heat level is 8 and put this much amount of suji. Okay, so now we add a little oil, mix it up, and you'll get this halwa-like texture. See? Right here. Okay, so we're gonna start with like a whitish color. You probably can't see here, but this used to be whitish. Now once it starts getting like a little more brown, decrease the heat, or if you want to, just turn off the heat. For 1 cup of suji, you need 1 cup of sugar. And for the suji and the sugar, you need 2 cups of water. Once the sugar and the suji are done, you have to slowly add boiling water in like a few steps. If you add too much boiling water, it's just gonna become soup. Okay, so once the water is mixed in with the suji, it's like not all watery. You can add the second batch of the boiling water, and this should be at a 4 setting, like just below medium.
Okay, so if you want to have fun with it, you can try to write your name in it. So I tried writing A and my full name. Always be creative. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will post a new video soon.